Unboxing the phrase, boxing clever. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, boxing clever. This phrase might sound a bit puzzling at first, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it means and how to use it effectively in your conversations. Boxing clever is a uniquely British phrase. At its core, boxing clever means to act smartly or shrewdly in a situation, especially to avoid trouble or achieve a goal. It's often used to describe someone who is tactically outthinking their opponent, not necessarily in a physical fight but in any competitive situation. The phrase is believed to originate from the sport of boxing, where a fighter might use clever tactics and strategies to outwit their opponent, rather than relying solely on physical strength. It's a metaphor for life situations where being smart and strategic can lead you to victory or help you avoid unnecessary problems. Let's put boxing clever into context with some everyday examples. 1. In the workplace, John knew he wasn't the boss's first choice for the promotion, so he started boxing clever, taking on extra projects to showcase his skills. 2. In negotiations, when dealing with the supplier, she boxed clever, using her knowledge of the market to get a better deal. 3. In personal life, he boxed clever by avoiding topics that would start an argument during the family dinner. 1. Appropriate context. Use boxing clever in situations where someone is being particularly astute or tactical. 2. Tone of voice. It's often used in a positive context, to praise someone's cunning or intelligence. 3. Cultural nuance. Remember, it's a phrase more commonly used in British English, so it might be unfamiliar to English speakers from other regions. And that's a wrap on boxing clever. We hope this video has shed light on this intriguing phrase and you're now ready to use it in your conversations. Always remember, in life, just like in boxing, sometimes it's the clever strategies that lead you to success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting content. See you in the next video.